Hello everyone, today we have our new product. This is loading post void module. This one designed for use with VX-1700 radio, so you can use with another radio too. And this one designed for voice security communication via encryption with analog tone, but tone loading post can change 10 to 255 per one code and sync per one time. Okay, let's see this Scramble module what we have. This connector connect to encryption unit VX-1700 radio. Next, this connector for programming parameter into the Scramble module. And next, switch for reset and LED for showing status RX and TX. Next, how to install Scramble module to VX-1700. This one is sample. When you install already, gonna have this connector here, and this side we're gonna show how to demonstrate installing Scramble module. So after we remove the case, so let's say this one is encryption unit. This one we gonna install Scramble module here. So let's see how to install. The first, we gonna remove screw here. And the second, we gonna use plastic standoff tighten in the ALE board. Third, we're gonna remove J1002 connector it first. Fourth, we're gonna use pin header female connect with Scramble module. And after that, five, we're gonna use screw tighten on the board. Six, after that we're gonna soldering connector to VX-1700 mainboard. The last, we're gonna put J1002 connector effect. So that's all how to install Scramble module. Hello everyone, this quick video we're gonna show how to set parameter via hyperterminal to Scramble module. If you don't have hyperterminal, you can download it for free. So here we go. Let's see. We're gonna open a hyper terminal first and gonna show this window, and you fill the name here. I gonna fill the name is sample one. After that is okay. Okay. And next gonna show connect to COM19 and click OK. And next, this window is port setting. This port setting we gonna restore default bit first. Click here. And bit per second is 9600. Data bit is 8. Parity is none. Stop bit is 1. Full country is none. After that, click OK. And this window gonna show this window. After that, press enter. This one is menu how to set parameter to Scramble module. We have all of this is 10 items. The first item is mod output gain. So you can select here, use spec bar and backspace here to choose the item what you want to set parameter. The first we're gonna choose the first item first, and after that enter it. Set mod output gain. The default is we set minus 9.6 dB. After that enter it to save it. The second is my input gain. You can select it here by spacebar, and after that enter it. Set my input is default is 0.0 dB. After that save it by enter, and select the third item by spacebar is the audio out and enter it. Set audio out is the default is 0.0 dB. After that enter it. The next is fourth item is this in gain. Select it by spacebar and enter it. Set this input gain. Default is 0.0 dB too, and after that enter it. The next is fifth item is ketone delay. What is ketone delay? Enter here first. Set the 5, choose by here and enter it. Ketone delay. What's it? Ketone delay. Ketone delay is how long when you ketone code. You can set it here. So the default we're gonna set it 600 milliseconds. After that is safe. Yeah. So next the item 6 inscription code. So we select here item 6 and enter it to set it. The right side is encryption code is you can set it by VX-1700 radio, and subcode you can select it here in hyper terminal. After that enter it, and you can select whatever you want, such as 3, and after that enter it to save it. And next is exit by ESC bottom. So finish is this item, and next item is 7 item, and select the space bar here 7 and enter it. Audio contender is for limit voice. This one with the default we're gonna set enable, and after that enter it to save it. And item 8 and enter it. Audio PD emphasis. This one we gonna set enable to, and after that save it by enter. And the item 9, we select 9 here and enter it. High bit mode is the default is enable it to. After that, enter it to save it. The last item is sync time. So select the sync item 10 and enter it. This item is signal sync time. This one we're gonna choose is 10 seconds. And after that, enter it. Okay, all of this is finished. How to set parameter to Scramble module. Thank you for your attention.